Hey, what's happening, everybody? It's me again, coming to you with these ghost peppers. Again, grown by Brian Jones. You know the story by now with that review on the habaneros. Um, guys' pods, guys' peppers are fire. That habanero was really good. Really good heat to it, really good flavor to it, good coloration. And again, same with these ghost peppers. The coloration and the size of these peppers are really, really nice. They're a gorgeous, gorgeous pod. So, if it's anything like the other peppers that I've tried so far, this is going to be hotter. Well, we'll see. That's what I'm trying to determine. But we'll see if this is hotter than, you know, the average ghost pepper I've eaten. So here we go. Good initial heat. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay. Mm. Seeds, man. Little sweat. Um, it's a nice pod. Really good. Flavors building. Ghost peppers tend to build as they go up. Um, yeah, I got a good burn going on. That's a great pepper. Whew. It's building right through here. Eyes are getting watery. Hiccups a little bit. Yeah. Man, it's hot. It's a hot ghost pepper. It's hard to talk. Cats. It's burnt. You have back saliva glands. Burning good. No drop of a tear yet, but my eyes are definitely watery. It's hot. It's a hot ghost pepper. No doubt about it. Very hot. You know. It's a definite throat burn, tongue and under mouth burn. Full mouth burn right now. It's nice. Ooh, it's hot. Brian, you got a good, another above average ghost pepper for me. Really nice. Ooh, it's hot. I feel like it's still building. It's been like 3 minutes. It's still climbing, still building. No, no tear yet, but I'm definitely watery-eyed for sure. Whew. Yeah. It's hot in there. In my throat. But thank you guys for watching. Still building. I'm gonna go enjoy this burn. Much love. Thank you.